Hey guys, well I just did another check out on the line here on the property and seen nothing. Didn't even see any grouse until I was about 50 yards from the house. I've got a trail that comes in just below here. It drops down pretty steep, and I've got a trail that goes along that, and then it comes up beside the house. And I seen a grouse just standing on a log, so I got off the bike and loaded up the 410, and never killed anything with the 410. It was the father-in-law's, and he didn't feel like renewing his license and all that sort of stuff, so he gave them to me. So as I'm loading up the first shot, I look to the right and there's another grouse kind of just strutting off a little bit. So I thought, perfect. So I shot the first one, got ready to shoot the second one, and then there was a third one on the left, and he was kind of getting ready to get out of town. So I shot the one on the right because I knew it was an easier shot. And I walked up maybe 10, 15 feet, 20 feet into the bush, and seen there was a bit of an opening, so I just aimed into that opening, and as soon as it walked out, I popped it, and now I got 3 grouse, so pretty pumped about that. Gonna have, I'm not sure what exactly yet. Maybe we'll barbecue them or slice them up and fry them, but that's my first grouse of the year. I used to go grouse hunting when I was back home in New Liskeard and Hellebury. I'd go in around Cobalt. Usually did fairly well in there, but around here I don't have a ton of grouse, so I usually just shoot enough to get a snack, get a meal, and then I leave the rest alone. So that's my three for the year. So I'm pretty much done grouse hunting on my property, but maybe this weekend, if it's nice, I might grab the kids and go for a little ride somewhere. We'll see, but yeah, glad I brought the 410. I have been bringing out the 22, and I've got a couple grouse in my food plots that I've got some videos of, and the 22 must be off because I can't pick them off, but thankfully I had the 410 this time, so pretty happy about that. That's the small things in life, I guess, that we appreciate, and it's nice to be able to score 3 grouse, like I said, not more than 50 yards from the house, and now we got a meal. So since we got a couple grouse to clean, I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you how to clean grouse in case you've never done it. It's pretty slick, pretty easy to do. Most people don't eat the grouse legs and wings. Obviously there's not too much meat there. You could certainly save it and make a broth, but I'm just going to take the breasts, and the rest, the feathers, the guts, and all that good stuff, I'm going to use for bait. Alrighty, so these ones should have all been shot in the head or the neck area, but what you want to do is grab the wings, stretch them out, and step in towards the chest as best you can, and slowly pull these legs, nice and slow. And everything comes out pretty much. So there's the back legs, a lot of the guts. You can just get in there. It's best to do it as soon as you can. Oh, I don't want to throw that stuff in there. Get your fingers in there, clean all that up. There's the heart, the liver. There's the heart, sorry. That's all going to go for scraps. Scraps we're going to put in here. A lot of people eat the heart. Heart's good to eat. Made a nice neck and head shot. I'm going to cut these wings off because I'm going to eat them right now. Just going to use the old knife. There should be. Pull these off. Wings are good for bait, good for attracting. Helps to have a nice sharp knife when you're doing all this. There you go. Clean that up in the house. No pellets. So, do the next one. Pull the wings out. Wings out. Step on them. Get as close to the chest as you can. Pull nice and slow. Get your hand in there. You can pretty much just pull it out. Another nice one. It's nice when you can make a good shot and not have any pellets. It's generally why I like to use the 22. There, another nice one. So you take all that. The heart you could definitely eat. Lots of people do. I like to use it for bait, but that's preference. Some people will tell you that I'm wasting, but it all goes back into the bush. Last one. Pull out the wings. Get in close to the chest. Pull nice and slow. That one didn't want to cooperate. But there's a good example of how small the leg meat is. They're pretty easy to get at as far as skinning them out goes. We're just gonna cut that leg or wing off. There's one. Gonna get in here. Just gonna grab it by the neck. Boom. There's that one. Cut this wing. Just like that. It's a little dirtier. You can see I got a lot more feathers on it when it doesn't work out. This one got a few shots into the breast. There. That's some good bait. All these feathers are really good attractants. Throw that around. So, next time you see them, the plate. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you clean up 3 grouse pretty quick. First 2 went smoothly. That's how it should go. You want to step on the wings, get in close to the chest as you can, and slowly pull on the legs, and you'll feel them start to give, and then you just keep pulling nice and smoothly. You don't want to jerk on them, and you end up with some pretty clean breasts when you're done with it. The third one didn't go as planned. Sometimes they don't, but I think part of the problem was the shot. I got a couple pellets into the breast area, and the one wing was kind of damaged, but that's all right. We got a few pounds of meat right there. Probably 5 pounds, 6 pounds. So that's 3's pretty good for a meal. for the wife and me and the kids, and pretty happy. So the next time you see these, they'll be on the table, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with them.